That's right, that's right. Okay. Huh? Okay. Really thought x equals 6 was the right answer. Okay, we'll try this again. X equals 6. What? 6? That's what I have. Oh my goodness, this is so frustrating. Ah!
Stop. Before you throw in the towel and give up, take a few minutes to watch this video. I'll be going over some helpful tips to entering in your answers correctly in MyMathLab. Number 1. Be patient. Realize that just like any other computer program, there will be a learning curve. With time, using MyMathLab will get easier. Number 2. Use the symbols provided by MyMathLab. When you click on the answer box for your homework question, you'll see a bar of math symbols pop up at the bottom of the screen. These will include an exponent tool, a fraction tool, and other math operators and symbols. Notice that there are only a select few shown here. However, we can click on the More button to open up a toolbar that contains all of the math symbols MyMathLab provides. When you are writing in your answers that includes multiplication symbols, union symbols, fractions, exponents, and the like, be sure to utilize these buttons provided. Two common mistakes I see are using the letter X in place of the multiplication symbol and the letter U in place of the union symbol. Just remember that MyMathLab will count your problem wrong if you use these letters rather than the symbols. Some questions in MyMathLab require you to graph a line, curve, or inequality. Click here to enlarge the graph. This will make it easier to see that you are placing your graph on the correct points. If you are graphing a line, you would click on the Line tool. Then you would click on 2 points that fall on your line. Notice that you can only use 2 points and no more to graph this line. If you ever make a mistake and you need to erase your graph, simply click Delete or Clear. If you are graphing a parabola, you would click on the Parabola tool. To use this tool, you would first plot your vertex and then a single point along that line. One area I would like to draw your attention to is the top right-hand corner. Notice as I move my cursor, the numbers are changing. This is telling me which point my cursor is hovering over. This is a great asset to ensure you are clicking on the right point. Another area I would like to highlight is this question mark tool. At any time, if you need further help knowing how to use the graphing tools, click on the question mark for an explanation. Number 3. Utilize View an Example tool. MyMathLab is very particular with how your answer must be input. If you believed you worked the problem correctly, yet MyMathLab is saying it is wrong, I would recommend using the View an Example Help tool to make sure your answer is formatted properly. For example, when I click Check Answer, for this problem, I see that MyMathLab is stating that my answer is incorrect. However, I feel confident that I worked the problem correctly. So I will click on the View an Example Help tool and see how the answer is formatted there. I'm going to scroll to the bottom and compare the formatting of their answer with the formatting of my answer. Notice here that I left out my parentheses. So let's check to see if that corrects my problem. And I can see that it did. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it has been helpful. If you have any questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to contact me by email or by telephone. Thanks and have a great week.